dito magluto ng yakisoba. Ngayon baka may bubog. Bubog! Patay na. Mulo. Mamaya.
Bukanda forever! Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride! Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog!
Yeah! Ipapay pichapay!
Hello Earthlings, it's me again, Sonid, and today is summer and we always deserve a very cold and refreshing drinks, whether it's in the morning, afternoon or evening. But today we will go to another unboxing for another free from another free country that we have. It's me again, Sonid, yapapay pichapay, and this is another unboxing that we will go. Good evening, Earthlings. Before we continue with our viewing pleasure, here's our new subscribers. And this is my shout out for you. Rick Motovlog, Mrs. Tipton Official, Yummy Moto, Lims Spy Moto, Maki Motovlog, Ajon Vlog TV, Wonwon Motovlog, Ian Christopher, Ideal Aiko. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. This is your Forces of Darkness, Sonid. Ride safe is law.
Hello everybody, this is the portion that we will unbox. The box of the snow cone maker. And yeah, here it is. As you can see, the box is very colorful and it is sealed. Then we will take off the seal and we go right away to the unboxing portion. As you can see also, there is the picture of the snow cone maker. It's just a snow cone crushing the ice. How to operate it, like this one. Yeah, and the picture of the snow cone maker. That's it. Very simple but colorful. So open the box. This is what you see inside, and we will take this one off like so. There are some styrofoams that keeping it not shaky. Even those delivery boys are throwing it out all the way to your doorstep, but it is okay. It doesn't crush you or damage so much. Okay, let's take off the styrofoam, and for this one you must recycle it. Do not throw it anywhere else. Go ask the recycling garbage people to recycle it for you if you don't have any recycling facilities. There's a plastic in here. We will take off the plastic. It is gold and plasticking. Okay, we'll take off the plastic and you will see the machine itself, and it's color red. Yeah, you can see the inside. Recycle the plastic also. This is the manual, the worn out, very little manual that tells you nothing but the Chinese things here. You cannot understand. There's many Chinese things, and we are lazy to, read manuals. Go straight away, operate it, and we're through doing it. And this is a snow cone. It comes inside. There's a hidden thing here for the stand of the snow cone. I'm sorry guys, but there's constructions along the way where they got that piece here. Okay, to make the cone stand like so. Okay, click it up like that and put the snow cone machine upright, and then put the cone here, and we're ready to go. By the way, the on off later I can show you how to operate it. We'll put the ice here. This is the lid, and that's the top portion. And be careful guys, there's a blade there, so do not stick your hands there because it will crush your fingers like a crushed ice. So be careful. And also be careful of this plugging in it after use. Unplug it if it is not you're using it, to save energy also. And also, before we continue, we will have some little reminders from us here during the fire prevention month. Yellow pipe, pizza pipe. Here's a short reminder from Sonnet during the fire prevention month. There's only a few tips, but if there's more to it, then you comment down on the comment section below. Always, one tip we have, you always unplug your appliances when they are not in use. And also turn off the lights to save and conserve energy when you're not in the room. The next is make sure you turn off properly your gas stove or oven after your cooking or your baking. And then the last, don't overuse your appliances. Have time to make them a rest for a while, and touch them if they're really overheating, like your electric fan or TV sets. But it's better safe than sorry. There's a little reminder here in Sonnet for us. Riding safe is slow. Now going back to our viewing pleasure. Hello again. Now we are in the portion that we will demo how to operate the snow cone maker. Okay, but be careful of the blade here and the blade underneath. Do not put your fingers underneath, okay, before we start. And always maintain a good working environment, because with electricity and water beside the kitchen, it's very dangerous. Okay, now we start. First, we plug the snow cone maker to the outlet like so. Okay, by the way, the on-off switch is on the cover itself. When you twist the cover, it will turn on like so. Okay, but before that, we will get some ice. Here is our ice now. It's not my 4 ice, but the ice. Okay, you understand that? Ice. Do not put big chunk of ice like this one. You have to crush it in a small itty bitty teeny tiny thing, so it can, it is not that very durable for crushing. I saw the blade inside. It was very thin and just enough for little tiny ice of chunks like this to put it inside. Okay, so it's like this. Put the ice here like so. Just to choose the right size of the ice so it can grind thoroughly. Then the snow cone or the snow will come out here. Okay, yeah, like so. Okay, you fill it up so the cone will be filled up underneath like so. Okay, again, so go, so good, so clean. My hands are getting cold already, and I will use this ice for the beer later, because it's Friday night, and until Friday night we don't have disco, don't have video, okay, because some of the establishments that provide services like that are closed or on a limited operation. So we already filled up the snow cone maker with ice. Okay, so we bring back the lid or the cover, the transparent cover, like this one, and we put inside of this and turn it on to lock. Once you turn the cover on a clockwise position, the snow cone maker will start making snow like this one. Yeah, good one, huh? Okay, we stop it. And that's your snow in the snow cone with the help of the snow cone maker. And that is for our demo of this snow cone maker. Yeah, bye-bye, picture bye. Oh, before I forgot again, there's some, suction cups here. Yeah, to make, to firmly place the machine and not sliding up from left to right or front to back. Stick to the table or the countertop or some, when you are crushing the ice. Because when you're crushing the ice, it's very, very horrific and very violent. Well, it's a bit messy because we have too much of the ice, and that's it. This is our snow cone maker, so you can flavor the ice or flatten it up, put it also in a good glass like this one and pour it out, and you're ready to go for an exciting cold drink during the summertime. And the best drink that we have for this summertime and during the Fridays is this beer. So it's a good mix of this cold drink, yeah, with the beer inside for this ice. Yeah, welcome to the drinking vlog. Yes. I hope you enjoy the unboxing and a little demo of this snow cone maker. But another reminder, after use of this snow cone maker, always unplug the appliances after you are using the appliance itself. It's me, Soned, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride, and good night, Earthlings, and stay safe. Oh yeah, now we have a drinking session right now, huh? And here's the ice from the snow cone maker, and now I am enjoying the cold drink that we're having right now. It's good. That's our short unboxing. I hope I don't edit it too much. And we're drinking now and enjoying. And by the way, our pollutant or finger foods is from this Buffalo Wild Wings, Wild Wings, and it's okay, as you can see also in the camera, like this one. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy, but it is nice. The cooking is good and it's tender, and the meat is tender. Chicken meat and wings are tender and they have a distinct flavor in it. So that's our finger foods for this drinking session at the end of the video. Good. Yeah, and again, good night everybody. Let's drink to that. It's nice. Yeah, very nice. Very good box. Very okay. Yeah. It's me again, Soned, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Yeah, bye-bye, video po. Good night, Earthlings. Yeah, yellow pa more. Yeah, dance pa more. Yeah, this is our kitchen. The main kitchen is already wet for how to do this one. There's a lot of electronics. I don't know how to clean it. So we have to take it off while drinking. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Yeah, well, good night again. You know, I hope you're okay all the time. Let's make it drip for a while. Cleaning it will be a really tedious one because of the wetness or something. Well, another reminder, be careful of the blade inside. Though it is very thin, it is still sharp and may cut your fingers if you put your fingers inside it. Yeah, bye-bye. Also good for the beer and some, you know, cocktail drinks for making the smooth ice on itself.
Grocery stage!